Windows are more than just design features. They protect your home, regulate temperature, and enhance comfort. Over time, even the best windows can lose efficiency and curb appeal. If you own property in Melville, understanding when it's time for window replacement can save you money and improve your home's overall value. Let's look at the most common signs that your windows are due for an upgrade. Rising energy bills. One of the clearest signs that you may need new windows is a noticeable increase in your energy costs. Older or damaged windows often allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Drafts, poor seals, and single-pane glass are common culprits. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, lower your monthly bills, and make your Melville property more eco-friendly. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel a cold breeze even when your windows are shut, that's a sure sign something's wrong. Gaps around window frames or worn-out weather stripping allow unwanted air infiltration. This not only makes rooms uncomfortable but also strains your heating and cooling systems. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation and tight seals to eliminate drafts, keeping your home cozy all year long. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are hard to open or close aren't just inconvenient, they can also pose safety concerns. Wood windows can swell due to moisture, while metal frames may rust over time. Mechanical parts, such as hinges or locks, can also wear out. Smooth operation is essential for ventilation, emergency egress, and general comfort. Replacing outdated windows ensures easy functionality and enhances home security. Condensation or fogging between panes. If you notice moisture buildup or fog trapped between glass panes, it often indicates a broken seal. Double or triple pane windows rely on airtight seals to keep insulating gas, like argon, in place. Once that seal fails, insulation efficiency drops dramatically. Condensation inside the glass isn't just unsightly, it's a warning sign that your windows are no longer performing as they should. Noticeable damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting wood, or warped frames are all indicators that it's time to replace your windows. In coastal or humid environments like Melville, moisture damage can happen faster than you think. Damaged windows not only reduce aesthetic appeal but also compromise your home's protection against rain, wind, and intruders. Modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass offer superior durability and low maintenance. Outside noise penetrates indoors. If you can clearly hear traffic, barking dogs, or loud neighbors even when your windows are closed, it's likely your windows lack proper sound insulation. Newer models come with multi-pane glass and improved sealing technology that significantly reduce outside noise. This creates a more peaceful living space and adds a layer of privacy for your Melville home. Fading furniture and flooring. Ultraviolet, UV, rays passing through old or thin glass can fade your carpets, furniture, and artwork over time. Modern replacement windows feature low emissivity coatings that block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light into your rooms. Not only will your interior look better longer, but you'll also enjoy a brighter, more comfortable living environment. Outdated style and poor curb appeal. Even if your current windows function reasonably well, their appearance might be dragging down your property's visual charm. Upgrading to sleek, modern designs can instantly enhance your home's exterior aesthetics and increase resale value. Whether you prefer classic wood finishes or contemporary vinyl options, today's windows combine beauty with high performance. Upgrade your Melville property with quality windows. Your windows play a vital role in maintaining comfort, safety, and efficiency. If you recognize any of these signs, it may be time to invest in professional window replacement. Modern windows offer exceptional insulation, stylish designs, and long-lasting performance that will benefit your Melville property for decades. Whether you're focused on cutting energy costs, boosting curb appeal, or improving comfort, upgrading your windows is a smart decision that adds value to your home and enhances your quality of life.